Atomic packing factor. Atomic packing factor is defined as the volume of atoms within the unit cell divided by the volume of the unit cell. Definition. In crystallography, atomic packing factor, packing efficiency or packing fraction is the fraction of volume in a crystal structure that is occupied by constituent particles. It is a dimensionless quantity and always less than unity. Formula. Atomic packing factor is equal to the volume of atoms in unit cell over volume of unit cell. Example number 1. Atomic packing factor for simple cube, F.C.C. Example number 2. Atomic packing factor for body-centered cube, B.C.C. Example number 3. Atomic packing factor for face-centered cube, F.C.C. Comprehensive details for atomic packing factor for face-centered cube.